Sarah. I'm in my kitchen. I'm making some more homemade remedies for things today. And one of the things I like to make is something I call the recipe. This we use for coughs, particularly the chest cough, the low bronchial heavy cough you get sometimes with flu or a bad cold in the winter. We keep this around in the pantry and we use it by a tablespoon about every hour until you stop coughing. It won't take long. This really works. It has a half a cup of lemon juice. Now that's the real lemon juice, the fresh lemon juice. If you don't have that, use the bottled stuff. That's better than nothing. 1 cup of lemon juice, 1 cup of raw honey, 1 cup of brandy. You mix that all together and you put it in here. Shake it up and use it by the tablespoon and you will stop coughing. And if anybody is sensitive about the amount of alcohol in here, and oh, I wouldn't use that, that's got alcohol. Well, go to the pharmacy and read the ingredients on the commercial cough medicines, particularly the Vicks NyQuil. It's about 45% alcohol. A lot of the cough medicines are full of codeine and or alcohol, plus a lot of other things you really don't need. This thing works, it's pure, it gets it done. People have been using this for hundreds of years for coughs, respiratory problems. Years ago, my children and I, our favorite TV program was the Waltons. And they used to go visit some friends of theirs, the Baldwin sisters, old ladies who used to make the recipe. And it kept the family real healthy over the winter. So anyway, I guess I'm not that, yeah, I am that old now. So this is my recipe. It does work. So if you want to play with this stuff, try it. Just try it. Okay. Have a good day.